Are you okay? I hope so. Today we are going to talk about grammar. Our objectives for today, the first one, how to use simple past tense. How to use simple past tense. Number two, how to use simple past tense, regular and irregular. How to use simple past tense, regular and irregular verbs. Simple past tense, regular and irregular verbs. As you see here, we have two kinds of verbs in the simple past tense. We have regular, which means al-muntazam, and irregular, which means al-ghayr muntazam. What is the difference between regular and irregular verbs? Regular verbs just add d or ed. Just add d or ed. For example, stay, stayed, arrive, arrived, agree, agreed. Irregular verbs doesn't have a rule. Just you have to memorize these verbs. Here we have information questions, affirmative and negative. What did you do last weekend? Here, if I want to make a question and information, add did with singular and plural and the verb one. What did you do last weekend? I stayed home. I stayed home. Notice here we have regular verb stay, so we add ed. This is the affirmative form. Here we have a negative form of the simple past tense by adding didn't. Didn't. I didn't stay home. Where did they go on Thursday? Where did they go on Thursday? Here we have irregular verb with did. So here we add did and the verb one go, affirmative. They went. They went. So go is irregular verb. So the verb to of go is went. Went. The negative, they didn't go. They didn't go. Using didn't to form a negative. Here we have yes, no questions. Did you, he, they like the museum? Here we start the question with did and the verb one. Short answers with affirmative. Yes, I, he, or they did. Short answers with negative. No, I, he, or they didn't. Here we have note. Regular past tense verbs end in ed in the affirmative. So just add ed or d to form regular verb in the simple past tense. Here we have exercise number 1. Write the past tense of the irregular verbs. Here we have many irregular verbs. So we will form the verb 2 of these verbs or of these irregular verbs. So, as I told you, you have to memorize the verb to of the irregular verbs. Here we have buy. Buy. Buy is irregular. So, buy, the verb to is bought. Bought. Come, came. Came. Do. Do. Did. Did. Drink. Drank. 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 Drive. Drive. Drove. Drove. Eat. Eat. Ate. Ate. Feel. Felt. Felt. Fly. Flow. Flow. Get. Get. Got. Give. Gave. Go. Went. Have. Had. Know. Knew. Leave. Left. Make. Made. Meet. Met. So again, please, regular verbs, if you want to form the verb to of regular verb, just add d or ed. Visit, visited. Agree, agreed. Help, helped, and so on. But these verbs, as I told you, are irregular. Irregular. غير منتظمة. Don't have a rule. Don't have a rule. So please, you have to memorize these verbs. Thank you so much for your listening. Have a nice day. Goodbye.